Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on using technology to solve real world problems. My name is Muhammad Talha. I'm a student of MPhil Linguistics semester 1 at Superior University City Campus, Lahore, under the auspices of Professor Saqib Zafar from the Department of English Literature and Linguistics here at Superior University. Today I'm going to present a video presentation on how we can leverage AI for better and efficient conduction of research. Research work can be arduous, it can be exhausting, time consuming, and frustrating at times. However, using AI, we can make that process easier and fun. Now, this is the normal layout of ChatGPT. You can use the unpaid version as well. I'm using the paid version. The only difference is the number of prompts and the files you can upload. In the paid version, there is no limit to it. Um, uh, Here, like normally, the first thing in research is finding out or deciding upon the title of your research, the theoretical framework that you are going to use, the research methodology that you're going to employ. You need to understand that ChatGPT is not your slave. You cannot just ask it to do all your work. You have to understand that AI is a like a friend, a companion with someone you can discuss your ideas, your research. It is a tool to help you brainstorm. So, like rather than just simply typing here in this window the basic chat box, why don't you go on the left side and you'll see this explore GPTs button. Click on that and you'll see third party GPT models which are uh, specifically curated for specific uses, like for writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle programming. So we're going to use the research and analysis category, and here we have some suggestions. Number one is Scholar GPT, number two is Consensus. These two are the most reliable one. Number three and number four are also quite good, but Scholar GPT and Consensus are the best ones. In my experience, Scholar GPT is more suitable for qualitative research work, and Consensus is more suitable for quantitative research work. But I would ask you to use them both simultaneously to get a clearer picture, and it gives you a second perspective from the AI chat box. Okay, I let's click on Scholar GPT. It will ask me to start a chat. I'll click on that, and it will open this window, Scholar GPT. Now I have already done some work here. I'm going to share it with you. I gave it the prompt. I am conducting research on using social media and second language acquisition. Give suggestions on research titles. Also give a theoretical framework along with a research methodology. So here it has given me some research title suggestions. Okay, the theoretical framework like socioculture theory, input hypothesis, communicative language teaching, and so on. And then the theoretical research methodology, mixed methods approach, surveys. How are we going to conduct the surveys, the interviews, what observations we need to take, what can be our sample. We can further niche it down by giving prompts to this chat box, by asking it to narrow it down, giving more clarity. What kind of data analysis methods are we going to use in quantitative analysis, in qualitative analysis, and so on. Similarly, I asked the same thing in the consensus chat box, the one more suitable for scientific or quantitative research, and it gave me some research titles as well, theoretical framework, research methodology, the same lingo. Okay, now it also gave me at the end some relevant study articles that I can use, like Sunni et al.'s Sabili. Let's click on one of them. Now, in the past, ChatGPT would share some research article links with you, but normally they would be fake. But now, in the recent past, like 2 months, it has updated, and the new model is quite efficient in giving the relevant and actual research paper articles with even the citation, the links, and you can like go through them. Now normally you can search for these articles in Google Scholars as well, but I believe through GPT, through AI, you can get efficiently more better results. And let's suppose you want to write the literature review. You can either go just ask here, give me like 5 research articles on topic, like give me like 10 research articles on the topic, and you can like put the article, your topic in inverted commas to get a more relevant result from the chat gpt. This is one tool. On the other hand, there's another website, AI website called site.ai. This one, site.ai, also helps you cite helps you in citing different research articles. It is also a paid tool, but you can also use the trial version, which allows 3 prompts per day. So like, here is a prompt that I gave: social media for second language acquisition, and it gave me a list of research articles, and each research article is briefly like, there's a summary of it, and then the citation for it. In this way you can write a better literature review. You can use it to get the idea and then paraphrase it into your own words. After using both scholar gpt and consensus gpt and site.ai, let me show you one other thing. Let's suppose you want to conduct spss analysis. You have to use spss software, but you do not really know how to do it. So let's type spss here in the explore gpt. You'll see the data analysis spss. Again, we'll click on it and it'll take us here to this one, data analysis spss. I've already uploaded a chart to show you how it works. This is a research I'm conducting, how CGI affects creative writing capabilities of ESL students. This is the chart, and you'll see I asked it conduct t-test and linear regression analysis on this data set. And if we go further, first it briefly describes it, and then it gives us the actual analysis. You can see that t-test, t-statistics, p-value, post-test for p-test, and then linear regression analysis. These results are accurate. I have compared them with spss. So rather than just going to the spss software, which many of us don't really know how to use, especially students and scholars of humanities. Now let's suppose you want to create illustrations in your research paper. You want to create charts, you want to create graphs. So either you can use julius.ai, that is another AI tool which can help you create illustrations. You can give the prompt here, or you can add a file and it will create for you. On the other hand, if we go back to the spss gpt third party bot, look at here. I has asked it, now help me create graphs, charts and illustrations for it. Give me at least 3 graphical representations of this. And after analyzing the data, it gave me these 3 different illustrations: dispersion chart, bar graph. So in this way, rather than creating it yourself from scratch, you can leverage AI to conduct research here using ChatGPT bots. Okay, now let me share with you another AI tool. This one is called Stealth Writer. Now Stealth Writer is basically an AI detector. You can detect whatever you're writing, whether it is AI generated or human generated. Then there's another tool. This is the humanizer. Let's suppose I took this. Let me choose one of them, like this one. I used this one, this AI generated response. I can put it in Stealth Writer and set the limit to like level 5. Level 10 would completely change the language of the, and let's humanize it. And you'll see that after a few seconds it has created a version that is humanized. It has changed the wording. Obviously it is not foolproof. There are some mistakes as well, so I would suggest you to use other AI detection tool like Quillbot. uh, you can paste your text here to see if it's AI generated or not, or then you can also use zero gpt. So these are the various tools which you can leverage to conduct AI, to conduct research in a better manner using AI. And obviously this is merely the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that you can do with AI and conduct better research. However, my task here was to just briefly introduce you to the concept so that you can explore it on your own. And maybe next time I'll show you some other AI related tools that can help make your research progress easier. Thank you for giving your time and listening to this presentation quite intently. I hope this helps you in your endeavors. And in the end, I would again like to thank Dr. Saqib, Professor Saqib, for his inspiration for giving us this task, and Superior University. Allah Hafiz.